Honorable Consul Nina Mangyo, Chairman Dennis Uy, Chairman George, Vice Chair Perry Ferrer, friends from the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Secretary Cristina Roque of the Department of Trade and Industry, distinguished guests, mga kababayan, magandang umaga po. Allow me to read Secretary Henry Aguda's message of support. I extend my warmest congratulations to the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry for holding the 51st Philippine Business Conference and Expo. The theme this year, "The Future is Now, Unleash the Power of Digital Transformation," captures the urgency of our time. In today's fast-changing world, we cannot be left behind. We must act boldly and decisively to utilize the power of digital technology and keep up with the rapid development of emerging technologies such as AI. At DICT, we see digital transformation not only as a tool for efficiency, but as a national strategy for growth and competitiveness. Our micro, small, and medium enterprises, you are the lifeblood of our economy, as you make up about 99% of registered businesses. For the MSMEs, digital adoption is the difference between being limited to the local market and reaching customers across the nation and even around the globe. This is why government has been investing in digital transformation of our country. So let me highlight a few of our key initiatives at DICT. First, digital infrastructure. We are expanding free Wi-Fi in public places, schools, and far-flung communities. We are laying down the groundwork for universal and affordable connectivity, so every Filipino entrepreneur can participate in the digital economy. Our national fiber backbone project is also running at an unprecedented speed. It puts in place a secure fiber optic network spanning across the entire archipelago. Thus, we have laid out 3,000 kilometers of fiber in 3 phases. It covers 31 provinces in the Philippines. Second, digital governance. The EGOV App PH Super App brings government services closer to citizens and businesses in one platform. Faster, more transparent, and less costly. For businesses, this means easier compliance, streamlined permits, and a more efficient way of engaging for government. Okay, thank you. And lastly, digital security. We know that trust is essential in the digital economy. That is why we are strengthening our national cyber security plan. Building resilience against online threats and working with partners to safeguard businesses and consumers. And as we speak today, DICT is forging partnership with the private sector to end scams once and for all. All of these initiatives are aligned with the vision of a digital bagong Pilipinas, a nation where technology drives innovation, where MSMEs thrive, and where opportunities are available for all who can dare to reach their dreams. And the theme of this conference reminds us that the future is not tomorrow, it is today. The challenge is clear: to act now, to collaborate, and to innovate together. On behalf of the DICT, we express our full support for this gathering, and I look forward to continuing our partnership with the private sector and the business community. Together, let us build the digital bagong Pilipinas that is competitive, resilient, and future-ready. Maraming salamat, God bless, at mabuhay ang PCCI, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Thank you.